All right, what's up everyone? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC. Got the boys out. We're gonna do a little driveway bash with the little cars, and we have a new ramp. This is the KCRC ramp. This is the KCRC ramp, 36 inches wide version. This thing is really cool. Big shout out to Jason Perrin. He's had this ramp for a very long time, and I talked to him quite a bit on the ramp, pluses and pros and cons of it, and I'm really glad I went with it. Especially for these little cars. This is not the first time we've driven it. This is the second or third time we've driven it, but I needed to do a video. So we got little cars out. I'm gonna run the Granite Grom. We got the big Granite, and we got the high boxing. I forget what the name of it is. But we're on the, wow. We're on the second to lowest setting too. We're not even on the high setting. Oh. Yeah. Reason why we're on the second to lowest setting is I moved it up to the middle setting. Wow. And boy, I'm driving terribly. Nice, Robert. I had it to the second highest setting, or the middle setting I should say, and it just launches the car straight in the air. There's no distance to it, and for these little cars this is a lot funner to get distance. But this is kind of what we do in the winter, and this ramp is darn near perfect for it. The first A scale that I'm probably going to run on this is the Corelli Synchro. I did a community post on that, and I might have done the unboxing video. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do first, publish first, if I want to publish this one or that one. So maybe you've already seen that one. But this little Grom, I like this little Grom. Oh, I got run over like Monster Jam. He ran over me like a Monster Jam truck. I wonder if he's going to be able to find the tape that I want. Nice. Nice. And it's raining. We've been trying to dodge raindrops for a few days. And it's raining. Luckily we came out here and we did. Okay. All right, I gotta hit a few more jumps. Nice, nice. Woo-wee! This car has just enough power. I do hope Arma comes out with a brushless version. I don't know, it's a high boxing truggy.
Dude, wait.
Hey, Campbell.
Don't you have a thing that you can like take this camera on the car? No. Dang it.
All right.
I wish you had it. Oh, that's crazy. How did you split?
I might, watch out. Sorry, bud. I broke my own rule. My own rule. Oh, that was a hard nose bomber. All right, well, yeah, we got some rain. My GoPro's going dead, but the main point of this video is to show off the new ramp and show you guys what we've been doing all winter. Just having a riot with these little cars, little driveway cars I call them. Sorry, this is a disjointed video. Anyway, this is what we do. Driveway cars, kind of chaos. Wow, that was a nice launch. And yeah, we'll be lots more content with the new KCRC ramp. So we'll catch you guys next time.